Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to reactivate Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. So basically, you'll just have to log back into your deactivated account in order to reactivate it. So type in your mobile number or email address and your password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgotten Password link. Now click on the Login button. And that is how you can reactivate Facebook account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, please hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.